Hello everyone, I am Dr. Deepti Thakkar, General and Laparoscopic Surgeon at Live Life Hospitals, Hyderabad. Today we are talking about bariatric surgery and how it works. So what is the way that a bariatric surgery helps you to lose weight when you have already tried all the different diets and exercise and gyms and different techniques for you to lose weight? Why don't they work and why does bariatric surgery work? Bariatric surgery has two main types. One is restrictive procedure and malabsorptive procedure. So in the first technique, we reduce the size of your stomach, which helps in restricting the intake of calories. This is the obvious and most simple way to lose weight. When you go on a diet, that is what you do. So restricting your intake of calories forces your body to use the fat which is already stored as energy, and that's how weight loss happens. The second technique is malabsorption, where all the nutrition or all the food that you consume is not absorbed by the body. Because of the various bypass procedures that we perform, part of the food that you eat is not absorbed, it is just thrown out. So that is how, by reducing the absorption of calories, you can achieve weight loss. In particular, this helps in patients who have very high body mass indexes. The third thing is the ghrelin hormone. The ghrelin or hunger hormone is produced by our stomach. This hormone gives us hunger, it gives us cravings for different junk foods and sweets, and it reduces our metabolism. When we remove part of the stomach in the gastric sleeve procedure, the ghrelin hormone reduces. This helps in decreasing hunger, decreasing your cravings and increasing the metabolism. So you will be eating less, but you are burning more calories. This is another mechanism how bariatric surgery works. The fourth thing is the added advantage of bariatric surgery for patients with type 2 diabetes. Patients with type 2 diabetes have insulin resistance, which means that even though your body produces insulin, it does not work when you have more fat. When your weight loses, automatically the existing insulin starts working well and your diabetes goes away. So this is a very beneficial thing for diabetics who are suffering with taking 3-4 tablets or lots of insulin injections. They can get rid of their diabetes by this technique. Another added effect is in patients who have bypass in particular, apart from insulin, there are many other hormones which take part in our sugar control. These are called as incretins. When a bypass procedure is performed, there is a positive effect of these changes on the incretins, which also helps in control of sugars. So bariatric surgery is not just for weight loss, it is also for all the weight related problems. It gives a complete positive health benefit to you in terms of weight loss and reduction in all the weight related problems. If you want to know more, or if you want to know whether you are eligible for a bariatric procedure, contact us at Live Life Hospitals, Hyderabad. Thank you.